Hello friends, I am Ashok Sanodia and I welcome you back in your own organic gardening channel. Friends, this is our second video about growing and caring for anthurium plant, and if you haven't watched our first video, then the link is available in the description. In today's video, we are going to explain about making the best soil medium for growing anthurium plant, and if you see this video till the end, then you can also get the best idea for preparing the best soil medium for this plant. So let's get started. So friends, today we are going to share 3 best methods to make the best soil mix for growing anthurium plant. The first method is much useful for those friends who are from urban areas and living in high apartments or high buildings. The second and the third method are much useful for those friends around whose houses some trees and plants are available or any park is located. All three methods are much beneficial and you can select any one or combine all of them together to make the best soil medium for anthurium plant. So let's come and understand them one by one. So in the first method, we will take required amount of coco peat. Coco peat is nowadays available very easily at all locations, and if you are living in high buildings or high apartments where other soil medium are not available, then you should use coco peat for your home garden. So first of all, we will take coco peat based on our requirement and put it inside the mixing container. After this, we will take required amount of perlite. Perlite is also available very easily at all locations and it also helps a lot for growing anthurium plant. So we should take perlite at 1/10 ratio of coco peat, means if we are using 10 cups of coco peat, then we should use 1 cup of perlite with it. So now we will mix coco peat and perlite together like this. And after the mixing process, our first soil medium is ready for growing anthurium plants. In the second method, we will use wood bark to make the best soil medium for anthurium plants. We can collect it easily from surrounding trees. Once a tree has grown for years, then its upper layer starts breaking after decaying in black color. So this black part of the upper layer of wood is called wood bark, and it is also a good soil medium for growing anthurium plants. So we just need to collect wood bark from surrounding trees and break it in small pieces as we are doing here. After it, just collect all of them in a container and our second soil medium is ready to use for anthurium plants. In the third method, we will use completely dry and decomposed branches like this. We can also collect these types of branches very easily from surrounding trees and plants. Once any branches falls off from the trees or plants, then slowly it dries with the time and decomposes like this. We just need to collect such branches and crush them like this by using any stone or hammer. Once the crushing process is over, then we can collect them in a container and our third soil medium is ready to use for anthurium plants. So friends, these are the three methods to make the best soil medium for growing Anthurium plant. You can use any one or combine all of them together. And believe me, your Anthurium plant will grow better. In our next video, we will explain some of the most common problems of Anthurium plant with their easy solutions. I hope today's information will help you, and for any further query, please write us in the comments box and we will try to answer you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.